This millennium calls for transformational leadership. What was the past and the present and future, we get into the understanding of analysis of what is going to be the future, and nobody is aware of the future. But the show has been going on. The world has been galloping at extraordinary pace. Technology innovation, we talk about manufacturing sectors, we talk about entrepreneurship, we talk about conceptual innovation. So the world is looking forward for new form of leadership. Here it calls for new thought process, thinking processes, to create a new culture, new environment, the ecology of mind, the environment, the situation which we are going to face for tomorrow. We need to be prepared for today. Thought processes which can sustain the universe, the environment, the nature, and for all these purposes to be achieved in an integrated approach, it is the mind which plays an important role, and above all, the youth who is going to be at the forefront to bring in a new change, new outlook, new approaches. Keeping the challenges of the future, it calls for a strong vision, a vibrant outlook, a spirited atmosphere, and a thinking mind. And what better than a youth for today? As India has got the hoary heritage, the past, culture, the 17 civilizations, the architecture, humanities, music, dance, the entire nature's balance, and the mythology, the ancient country. We have all the ingredients with us. I foresee a huge talent pool, human resources, where I always say that it is the human capital, the human intellect, or the intellectual capital. So a time has come where the collective thinkers across the globe, because since the whole world we talk, there is no barriers. The barriers were always there in the mind. And since the world has opened up with no barriers, the future is very, very exciting. This School of Leadership, as a part of Jain University, Jain Group of Institution, which has always thought of tapping the internal, intrinsic strength of a human potential. This has been the approach, this has been the idea, and we have collectively been working towards creating leaders for the future. Swami Vivekananda, the most articulate thinker, saint, philosopher, guide, mentor, also a management guru, who said that the potential is the divinity of a person. And this divinity he ignited in the World Parliament of Religions. He made a famous statement that give me 300 people, I'll transform the whole world. Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Mother Teresa, they have been the role models. At JGI and School of Leadership, headed by young lady Yashaswini Ramswamy, who has conceived this idea, thought from last 8-10 years. And this has been the one of the most important facets of Jain Group of Institutions, where the young leaders have always been given the opportunity to think rather than stunting their growth. She is one of the young leaders who transformed from this organization, went to the world and realized that it is the external and internal evolution which is more important at any levels. So it is not only the business growth, it is not only the economic development, it is the development of the universe, and preserving the ecology is very, very important. I personally have always believed in the youth. These youngsters, the people, the human talent is waiting for an opportunity to tap at them. Swami Vivekananda once said, if Muhammad cannot go to the mountain will come to the man. Today the technology has proved that. Can India transform into a human potential force? JGI being a human development group, we look forward in tapping this wealth of talent and bring to the fore the thought leaders for tomorrow. When few people can transform the whole society, so why not we create 300 leaders? The future talks about growth, the future talks about evolution, the future talks about synergizing, integration, networking, talking about the global challenges. The School of Leadership will take up the initiative to collaborate with the corporate, to collaborate with the thinkers, authors, visionaries, and who come together and look forward for the better society for tomorrow. Youth needs to be given that empowerment, and with this empowerment, I foresee a great future for this universe, not only for this country. The whole idea here at School of Leadership will to create new age entrepreneurs, new age leaders, new solutions as per the need of the hour. Small medium enterprise, as I have always been passionate about it. Let us all join together, the great thinkers, the future outlook, thought leaders. Can we create a better society for tomorrow? With the collaborative effect, with the collaborative outlook, we can make a society a wonderful place. Thank you.